everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to schedule send emails in Salesforce, or we can say that schedule email without Apex code in Salesforce. So let's proceed by understanding what does we mean by schedule email in Salesforce. In Salesforce, scheduling emails allows the user to send emails at a specific future date and time. This feature is particularly useful for planning marketing campaigns, follow-ups, or other communications that need to be sent at optical time. So now let's proceed and understanding how to schedule a send email in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce account, and here I open my Salesforce account, and by default it is open in the Lightning edition, and here we are going to learn how to schedule a send email in Salesforce. So for this I click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option, and it will redirect us to the setup home page. So now after that, first we need to create an email message to schedule an email in Salesforce. So for this, click on the app launcher and search for the lead and contacts as per your choice to whom you want to send an email. So enter the leads and contacts. So here I search for the contact and click on the contacts that is present under the items, and it will redirect us to the contacts page. Now it's time to select the record to whom you want to send an email. For this, so you need to click on the contact, and here we are going to select this checkbox John William, and so for this I decided to send an email to this contact. Now you can see at the top right corner you have a send list email button. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's open up a new email message pop-up, and it is used to compose an email. It has a recipient option. If you want more recipient, you can also add it. Now it's time to add up the subject. So here I'm going to add the welcome as a subject, and then now you can enter your text whatever you want to add in the body. So here I enter in the body as a welcome, pleasure to be in our team. Now I enter the text in the body, and then we can see there is a send button that is present at the bottom, and uh, there is a drop down arrow present. Click on this drop down arrow and click on this send later option. When we click on this, now it's ask you to enter the date, time and time zone. Now set the date, and I set up the random date here. So I click on this date 11, and then ask you to set up the time and the time zone. You can set any time you want and also set the time zone if you want, and click on the save button. After review the message, click on the send later, and on it specifically written up the time, like it's scheduled for 11 August and the time is 7:30 a.m. accordingly to this time zone. So click on this send later, and here we go, the list email was queued. So with this we have learned how to schedule send email in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.